Good afternoon, friends. How are you all? Welcome back to my channel, Archie Chowdhury. I hope you all are doing fine and enjoying the weather after yesterday. We had so much of snow, and today it's a nice bright day behind me. So I keep my blinds open when I see it's a good sunny day. I say, oh, let all the sunshine come into my house, and from the windows, I feel so happy and there's a different glow on the face when the sunlight is there and you feel that it's a bright, nice, lovely day. So thankful to God about having good weather after a nice snowstorm, and also snow was not much, but still it was too cold, like it was like only 25 degrees, so that was too cold. Until it's not 35 degrees, I feel very cold. And if the sun doesn't come out, I feel, oh, it's so gloomy, I don't like. And on a bright sunny day, the faces also become so bright. I feel that way. How about you? Just let me know in the comments below. So friends, today I'll share some small tips which I had captured. So let's see what and all I did. Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Archie Chowdhury. I just didn't have gas in my van, so I said okay, let's go out and fill up some gas from Costco. So we are heading up to Costco right now, and it's a good, nice, pleasant day. Actually, no snow, which I love. You all know that I don't like snow that much, but when the snow is not there, I love to drive anywhere, wherever I like to go. And if I see that the weather is so good, I just take my car and I run. So this is how I run in the whole day when there's no snow or anything, and I feel I enjoy my long drives. So right now I'm just coming to Costco and filling up the gas, and roads look really empty. People are really taking good care of here, I must say. They are doing social distancing well. They are not out much, so the roads were really empty. And I enjoy when there's nobody driving and only I'm driving. So it was little good that I was all by myself and driving and enjoying the day. I love the sun when I have to sit in the car. So here we have reached Costco and it's so good. But the Costco inside is always full. As you all can see, there's so many cars. Inside shopping is going on full on. So I didn't go inside the Costco because I do off Instacart, and here we are in Costco filling up the gas. Too long lines, too busy. So here I'm trying to fill the gas, and gas looked very cheap on that day. It was not that expensive. So I love to fill the gas, and I love the gas smell also. How many people like the gas smell and all this nail polish smell? Just comment and let me know. So the gas was really good, smelling good, and I really like it. And over here we have to fill our own gas, and in India it is just you say, oh, 1,000 rupees ka bhar dijiye. So it's like that. Over here you need to fill up your own gas, and it is good to be out and be your, and you can decide how much gas you want to fill, whether full tank or half tank or just little. So I just filled up the gas, and I just went out for 2 or 3 days continuously. I had lots of errands to do. I had some 6 to 7 places to go, and I finished off half of my tank again. Again, I'll be coming just to fill up the gas. It was so much. If you drive so much, you use your gas so much. But I'm the only person who feels that gas should always be full in the tank. It should never go down. You should always have gas in your van or car. Look at the sky. It's looking so clean and clear. It was so good sunny day. I just love the sun, and when I'm in the car, I get the full heat, full vitamin D. I can sit and enjoy the sun, the heat, which I don't. In the house, I feel so cold. But going out and sitting in the car, it's something nice and good, I feel. There's no snow. What a happy day. So I just ordered a soap, pump and sponge candy, and it looks like this. It's a good one. So it looks like this. So I'll unbox it right now. So it looks like this. It's a good way to store the detergent, because my detergent lids which I use, the dishwasher soap, always would break out. So it came with a nice sponge also. So it's good, and I have to only fill up the soap now of the dish liquid soap. So let's see what it does. So this lid is always broken and it would leak out from the top. So I thought, okay, I would order this and just put it in here. So now I have filled it with the detergent. I'll just push it. Yeah, now it's all ready to use, and I'll use it. And we'll see if the detergent is coming up or not. So here it's squeezed out, and here's the detergent which came out. Can you see the detergent? So I'm all ready to use, and here is the detergent which came out. Let's do our cleaning. So it's all ready, and it's nice. Soap came out and my cup got washed. So yeah, the cup got washed, and I'm so happy that I don't have to keep pressing it. And here's the detergent. It's nice. So here I have vanilla cake mix, and the children wanted to eat cake, so I said, okay, let's make vanilla cake. So I know the procedure to make this packet cake mix. It will just say add some oil. So we have added some oil over here. So here I've just taken 2 eggs. They say 3 eggs, but I'll put only 2 eggs. So we just need to add little water. So now I'll just blend it well. So now it is blended well, and did you see how nicely it is making the waves? I just love this. It becomes so creamy and frothy. I just grease the pan, and I'm just putting some oil, and this I'm going to add a very little cake mix because this is a small container. So I'm greasing the pan well. Now these days I'm not using my hands a lot. Otherwise I would use my fingers a lot, but now these days I'm trying to be little show off. So here also I'm using the brush to grease my pan, and I think I made a dent over here. Can you see this dent? I spoiled this vessels, and I've been using some of the vessels from past 21 years. These are as old as how old I was when I came to US. So I've already put some batter over here. Now I'll add some batter in this glass pan. And looks like I cannot be without my fingers. My fingers have to be used. Even though I feel like being sassy, but my fingers come off. So here is my fingers. I'm using my hand. So here my oven is getting preheated. So I'll just put it in the oven. And I kept it to 350. So let's put them in the oven. So here I'm putting it in the oven. And we'll keep it for 20 minutes. And we'll check with our fork whether it got cooked or no. So this is it. Bake, bake, bake. And today is a very cold day. It's going to snow. So it's a perfect day to on the oven and keep it open. Let's check whether the cake is done in the small container. Let's see if this fork comes out clean. Wow, it really did. So the cake and this is done. Let me just take out. Let's see if this is done well or no. If this is still getting done. Yeah, this is still not done. So the cake mixture came out. Let's keep it for 10 more minutes. So now let's see if this got cooked. Yeah, it got cooked so well. So here we remove it. Wow, it looks so good. This has got a nice golden crust, whereas this one did not get. So this is cooled down from a long time, and this is almost done. So here I'll cut the cake. Come on, everybody say happy birthday to me. Actually, it's not my birthday, but what to say? I'm lost out of words, and I'm not doing much of cooking also because I have some leftovers and all. It's becoming the same repeated food. So let's enjoy the cake today, homemade cake. So enjoy the first bite. See, just see it's so soft and nice. Enjoy. So this was it, friends, today for my day, and I could capture little bit of here and there, and it's become like a little boring routine, but this is all what the life of everybody is. So I still try to capture some good things and good things which we do and good moments. So this is what I just want to capture and have it as my memory, and just think that, oh, yesterday I did this, and after 1 year when we see something like this, we should say, oh, that was nice. We were staying during those pandemic times, and still today we are so happy. So we should take every day as a nice gift and be happy wherever you are, be motivated and do everything what you can do. So friends, today it's all this for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay blessed, and love you all. Thanks for watching, and if you have not followed me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, please follow me there also. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye. Love you all. Thanks for watching. Bye.